Hello, Hedera Hashgraph. Hope it is. How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So, guys, after a long time, I'm talking about Hedera Hashgraph. That what's the price of Hedera? What's the price changes so current? Unfortunately, as you know about Hedera, that from last 7 days, Hedera price is going in the dump. But guys, that's not mean then you decide to sell, guys. And you know what, guys? I recommend that it's time to buy the dip. Buy the dip, guys. You will get a huge profit, guys. You know what, in the right now situation, the price of Hedera is about 0.362804 USD dollar, guys. So the right now price of Hedera is very cheap price, and I believe, guys, that very soon this price will become high. Anyways, guys, last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes over Hedera is completely going negative. Price going in the dump. Let me show you price chart. You can see, guys, completely now Hedera is going in the lows. So you know what, guys, every coin dump, every coin pump, and unfortunately now Hedera is also in the dumping mood. So that's not mean that you decide to sell, guys. I recommend holding. If you hold, so possibilities, guys, that in I also predicted Hedera that after 20 October possibilities did again the price start pumping, guys. So just hold, never decide to sell, guys. Anyways, what you think about Hedera? Also share your opinion in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe channel.